Hello everyone, welcome to Bing Lectures, Learn SQL from Real Jobs. In this section, we are talking about merge statement. The merge statement is used to make changes in one table based on values matched from another. It can be used to combine, insert, update, and delete operations into one statement. In my real job, I had to update employee paycheck every month. I had an employee paycheck table and an employee paycheck update table. Our company rules, employee ID and employee name are fixed, couldn't be changed. Employee changing department is allowed directly. Employee rise and reduce salary must have historical recording. According those rules, I create SQL script for salary changing. If we have new data, we need to insert it. If we just change department for an employee, we just need to update it. But if we want to change salary, we have to mark the change date and insert all the information for system recording. How to do that? We have to combine merge update and merge output. Finally, let's combine those three parts together. Roll by our date first. Then run this script. Let's check the updated employee paycheck table. Good job! Let's learn SQL from real jobs. See you next course.